been almost 12 years since Air Force Major Carl Hoerig was shot and killed inside his home. Next week, Hoerig's wife at the time, an accused killer, will stand trial.
27 First News reporter Nadine Grimley was in court today for the final pre-trial hearing in the case. She joins us live in the studio with an update.
Well, almost a year to the day she was flown back from Brazil to the United States. The trial against Claudia Hoerig will begin, and step one is seating a jury.
This matter is scheduled to go forward on Monday the 14th.
75 people have been called as potential jurors in the case against Claudia Hoerig, a trial that's set to begin just 3 days shy of a year since she was flown back to Ohio and booked into the Trumbull County Jail. Hoerig is charged with aggravated murder in connection to the death of her husband, Air Force Major Carl Hoerig. He was found shot to death in their Newton Falls home back in March of 2007. Authorities say Claudia fled to her native country, Brazil, where she'd been living up until 2018. It's a case that's had a lot of media attention nationwide.
We may have an extended concern regarding venue, and we've discussed how we would bring the different jurors in to try to determine what they know about this case.
Just today, her defense team filed a motion asking the court to limit the number of autopsy and crime scene photos the state may introduce at trial, writing many of the pictures are gruesome and inflammatory.
We think the photographs that we're going to be requesting the court to allow into testimony and allow as exhibits in this court obviously go to the testimony and the injuries that caused the death and go to the elements of this crime.
Another issue brought before the court, the transcription of Hoerig's recorded interview with detectives once she was at the sheriff's office.
The jury will be instructed that the evidence is actually the video statement and not any written statement that was prepared by a court reporter.
Well, jury selection is set to begin Monday morning. The trial could last up to 2 weeks. Live in the studio, Nadine Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.